Hello class, this is Robert Smith coming to you from ASD term 1210, and I'm here to give you my reflection video for Project 2. This week we were supposed to be using Ajax to pull three separate data types. I used JSON, CSV, and XML, and overall this week went pretty well. I got a late start as always, but was able to get some of it working, and I was actually very happy to get as much of it working as I can. I'm not finished. I'm just doing the video and getting it done in time. I'll still be making pushes throughout the rest of the night, but trying to get my JSON to work. That's the one thing that didn't go so well, was my JSON isn't working for some reason. I can't, it won't even give me any errors in the console or anything. I'm not sure what it is, but I relied on all the coding classes we've had so far to do this assignment, and just to show it off and kind of show what's going wrong. A couple things. This is my application just dragged and dropped from into Firefox, and this is the GH pages of my application. And I've been having problems with GH pages. First of all, for some reason this image never comes over. Haven't been able to figure that out. But what's really bugging me this week is the fact that I've been making pushes to both my master and GH pages branch, and even though I'm in week 2 of my ASD site right here, using the correct annotations, and I put my test data in place of this info button that we had in MIU, and it's working when I pull it on my desktop. It's changed and everything, and that's how it's reflecting in GitHub, but for some reason it's not working on my GH pages in the browser. So this is what it should look like. You click on test data, and then you have your three options for JSON, XML, and CSV. When I click on JSON, I get my little H2 tag that I added, but nothing else. But then when I click on XML, I get all the default data from group or individual, class name, assignment name, instructor email, priority, the day, month, year that it's due, and the notes. I need to add a colon where the notes is, and the same thing with CSV. So what I'm working on is trying to get figure out what I'm doing with JSON. I will drag my code over here so you can see it. This is my JSON function, and it should be living in the same place that the CSV and the XML happen, and just not sure what I'm doing wrong. Been going over this. I got a buddy that is going to do some chatting with me, see if we can't troubleshoot it together. I ran it through JS Hero. The weird thing is that I'm not getting. I was able to troubleshoot this XML and CSV because of the errors that I was getting in the console, but I'm not getting any errors at all. I'm not getting anything when I click on JSON in the console. So I'll do some troubleshooting with that. But overall, this week was a lot easier than last week, I think, and I'm still working on refactoring some of my old functions from VFW to completely be jQuery. Having a couple problems with knowing when to use dot append and dot append to, and it seems like every time I experiment with it, it breaks something. But still working on it, still working hard, and I'll see you guys in the Wimba on Monday.